Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Toyota Tundra. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup successfully merges advanced capability with comfort and agility, distinguishing itself from the competition with its cargo capacity, towing capacity, and ruggedness. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Toyota infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, automatic temperature control, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.